This is an ATS automated banding system. We're going to go ahead and run through what it does, and we'll do a little demo. So we have to have a couple of these machines set up here together. So there are some cords draped on the floor, but we'll give you a kind of a general overview of how this is working. Recheck back to the photos. We're going to re-photograph this. Originally we had this conveyor set up with the Kirk Rudy system, but we're going to be selling it with the bander instead, because that's what runs it. It is an adjustable angle conveyor here that's lifting your paper up to here. So if you buy the bander, you'll have the conveyor with it to hook up to whatever your system might be. So the bander will accumulate cards. We're just going to feed 3 or 4 by hand, and then it'll catch them in this elevator here and lower them down onto the lug conveyor. They'll be manually adding some extra pieces. You have a touchscreen interface here for the controls, but it will accumulate multiple sets of cards, lower them down on the lug conveyor, come on in here, jog it, press it, band it, and then it exits it out the other side with a gripper arm. It moves it out of there. They were using it with this Kirk Rudy delivery stacker, which we'll be doing a separate video on. And then do it. So they're just hand feeding some cards down there, and you see they're coming up the conveyor. I think they have it set to 4, so it dropped down 4. So they're just adding a little extra thickness here as we add them on. So it automatically presses, bands. It's kind of hard to see the white on white, I know. Our next one here is got color. There we go. There it is. I'm going to try and catch this one as it comes out. Automated banding. But so this is a lot of different applications. A lot of it's adjustable. You can add in, you can have a different height coming in, but essentially if you have a bulk of items that need accumulated, banded, and moved into another process for packaging or stacking, is a nice ATS setup for that. It will probably need a little customization depending on your use. You might have to get a different conveyor with it, different delivery, but overall it's a nice base system for banding and accumulating.